Natural remedies for weight loss. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on weight loss. We all know losing weight can be a challenging journey, but incorporating some natural remedies can effectively aid this process. So let's get started. Firstly, it's important to drink plenty of water. It helps keep your body hydrated, which is essential for maintaining your metabolism and promoting fat burn. It also aids in digestion and helps control your appetite by keeping you full longer. Green tea is another fantastic natural remedy for weight loss. It's loaded with antioxidants, and its active ingredient, epigallocatechin gallate, ECG, helps boost metabolism. This increases the body's ability to convert food into energy, leading to weight loss. Next, let's talk about apple cider vinegar. It's a well-known natural remedy for weight loss. It helps to lower blood sugar levels and improve metabolism. It also helps you feel full faster, which can reduce calorie intake. Spices like cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and ginger can also help in weight loss. They help to increase metabolism, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation in the body. So, adding a pinch of these spices to your meals can be beneficial. Don't forget about protein. It's an essential nutrient for weight loss. High-protein foods take more work to digest, metabolize, and use, which means you burn more calories processing them. They also take longer to leave your stomach, so you feel full sooner and for a longer amount of time. Fiber-rich foods are another great natural remedy for weight loss. Foods high in fiber help keep you feeling full, so you're less likely to overeat. Excellent sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Healthy fats, contrary to popular belief, can also aid in weight loss. Foods with omega-3 fatty acids like avocados, nuts, and fish can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Regular exercise is a crucial part of any weight loss journey. It helps burn calories, boosts your metabolism, and improves your overall health. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a high-intensity workout, any physical activity is beneficial. Lastly, getting good quality sleep is often overlooked as a natural weight loss remedy. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that control hunger, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. So, make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Remember, consistency is key in weight loss. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. However, it's also important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new weight loss regimen. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these natural remedies for weight loss will help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips.